Hey everyone, so this is the phase two in here, and trust me, this expiry was like really crazy, and it was too volatile, right? But even after that, we have managed to get close to around 1% return of the capital deployed, which is 3 lakhs. Now, if you're wondering and saying that you said close to around 5 lakhs you had, and which is not 1%, what I meant was on capital deployed. So the reason why I booked in right now is because of the sole reason that I did not want to risk it even more. I could have gotten one more percentage if I held it around close to 3:20 p.m. or something, but I exited at the time of around close to 2:05 or 2:07 p.m. Right. The reason being is that I just want to keep myself emotionally stable, and for that reason, like I mean, this is my first 1% return through option selling on intraday basis. So yeah, any of you who think that 1% not is not much of a big deal, it is, because even if you make 0.3 percentage a day or 0.4 percentage a day, you are an absolutely great trader. So on that basis, yes, this expiry was really great. I had to do a lot of adjustments. I had to be a lot of, I had to show a lot of patience in here, and hopefully we did get this result. So on a net to net basis, since I started this video, we were in a loss of close to around 2,000 rupees. I mean, the first episode we had a loss of 1,400. The second episode I did not make it because we did not have anything to share in there. The loss was close to around 500 rupees or something. So net to net 2,000 rupees loss. But the third day is today expiry. We have recovered all the losses and we are into a plus right now. And if you combine it with my net PNL of the entire month, it is close to around, I guess, around, I guess we're back to around 1,000, sorry, 1%, profits in here, right? 1% of my entire 5 lakhs. So yeah, 1% to 1.5 is what I believe. So yeah, this is all I wanted to share in, and do subscribe to the channel and let me know down in the comment section below if you need anything else, and do like this video. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.